morning. Happy Thursday. So it's snowing outside, so I'm not going anywhere. To just do, I guess, a little vlogging today. I'm gonna be cleaning, doing stuff around the house, working out the next few days. I had weddings this past weekend, and the one that I had on Saturday, I didn't bring my makeup chair, which, you know, you might not think is that big of a deal, but it's a lot on your back, and I'm paying the price. So Saturday I was like a little bit more hunched over, and then on Sunday I had a wedding where there was like 5 clients, and my chair, my makeup chair, was like up against a wall and I couldn't get on either side, so I was kind of like hunching over the whole time. So right at the top of my back, it was hurting this weekend, and I was like, I'll just rest, I'll just like relax, and you know, I'll be fine. And then on Monday, I just did like upper body stuff. And then on Tuesday, when I went to the gym, like I was fine. And then I woke up yesterday, and I think also the way I was like laying, I think my body just needs like to relax. So I'm just taking the next few days off because I do have a wedding on Saturday and trials on Sunday. So I was like, you know what, like I just rather rest my body, and then, you know, if it's still hurting, like after the weddings this weekend, I'll try and get to the chiropractor or something. But it's definitely like a pinched nerve or something, because I've had this happen before, even like prior to me working out and everything, just from me doing makeup. I'm gonna eat my breakfast. I made some protein waffles. So I used the Kodiak pancake mix, and then I used a scoop of Bomar cinnamon roll protein mix, and then an egg and just some water. I found this recipe in a Facebook group, so I'm really excited. They're little hearts, they're so cute. I got this little waffle maker from Target around Valentine's Day, so I don't know if they'll have the heart-shaped one. I was gonna get this or just the regular round one, and I was like, let's just get the heart-shaped one. So I'm gonna enjoy this, and then we will clean the house together. So I just kind of finished cleaning my makeup room slash office area. I had to put some lashes into my kit for this weekend and some extra mascara wands. So this is basically it. Here's just an overview. That's like my desk. And then in that closet, I have my drawer unit that has like my personal makeup, which honestly, it's really not that much. And then I have backups of my makeup kit. So like my foundations and then my airbrush system. I have my skincare. So that just has like a bunch of stuff. It also has some hair stuff in it and then just like my closet or whatever. Just plugged my vacuum in, so that just needs to charge for a little bit. But I was gonna listen to music while I was cleaning, but I decided to try out Audible, not sponsored. I'm hearing about them for like ever. So I downloaded a book. Right now I'm actually reading a book, kind of. I'm reading this book called Fear is My Homeboy. And my attention span is like so short with reading and just a lot of things in general. So for me to read a book, it takes me like months because I just can't sit still and read one. Downloaded the book because it's like a free trial or whatever. The Subtle Art of Not Giving a Fuck, because I heard that was really popular and it was like highly ranked on there. So I was like, let me try this out. I am super into it. I agree with a lot of the things that they're saying in this book. Like, you can't compare yourself to like people on social media and everything. You know, just like fucking live your life. And that's how Mike and I very much live our lives. Don't get me wrong. Like, there are some times where I compare things and I'm like, how the fuck does this person have this? Or how can they do this? But honestly, then I like reevaluate and I'm like, they're only gonna post online what they want you to see. And how I look at things and how I became like more of like a confident person, I guess, I really did stop giving a fuck. I really just kind of like care about people's opinions that mean something to me, as far as like, you know, like my family, like my husband, you know, like my two friends. So that's kind of where I'm at. Like, if a stranger doesn't like the way that I look between like my tattoos or just like the way that I dress or whatever it is, like, I really don't care because their life doesn't affect my life. But yeah, so anyways, I was just listening to that book and I thought it was really good, so I thought I'd share. But I'm gonna just drink some water. My vacuum's charging, so I'm just gonna take a little break because my vacuum needs to charge and it's annoying, so I need to find a new vacuum. So if anybody knows a good cord vacuum, because now I want a cord vacuum that's good with pet hair, please let me know. Please don't be super expensive. But yes, I am gonna just go watch, I think, like a video or two on YouTube while my vacuum charges, and then we're gonna continue. Here she comes, here she comes. Okay, bye. Done for today. It was pretty productive. I need to like clean the stove top, but I'm gonna do that tomorrow because I'm gonna be making the honey sesame chicken tonight and it gets sticky because of the honey. So I was like, oh, I'll just clean it tomorrow. Thank you.